close for your lead. Moving a body outside is Power Gear. Then moving up by the rail to take the lead is entry number 2, I Will Survive. Peace and Love comes next. Then Tara Let's racing in fifth. Running by the rail is Prince Diamond. Then running on the outside is entry number 10, and that's De Vega. In between runners comes Tara Let's, heading towards the last 600. I Will Survive by about a length and a half. Peace and Love running in second. Bangge is still racing in third as they turn to the last 450. I Will Survive by about 2 lengths. Bangge now moving a body outside. Peace and Love now dropping back in third. Prince Diamond now in fourth. Tara Let's is racing in fifth with the last 150 more to run. Bangge now moving a body outside to take the lead. Peace and Love to take second. I Will Survive and Tara Let's. And finally, it's going to be Bangge. Tara Let's close with Peace and Love. Then comes Power Gear. I Will Survive. Close between number 1, Amazing Damascus and Prince Diamond.